In this video, we are going to see how we can purchase any kind of fixed asset by giving cash. As you can see here, on 30th of January, it says computer purchase of office equipment by giving cash. So we have paid 18,000. Let's see how we can record this. But before that, if we are purchasing from a regular vendor, we will use the write checks option. But if not, we can either use the write checks option or the journal entry as well. So let's try the write checks option. If we use the write checks, we need to go to the banking section, or even in the vendors and purchases, we have this option as well. So we can go and use it from anywhere. Click on new check. If it is against a random vendor, which we will not be using in future, we can create an imaginary vendor of cash expenses and we can put it all there. After that, you just select the ledger of fixed asset and then pay it from the cash account. Let me just complete the transaction and then show you the results. So 18,000, the check number, since we are bringing by cash, there is no check number applicable. We just change the date, which is 30th of January. So 30th of January, paid by cash, we can change it to cash here, and we are purchasing the fixed asset, right? So just scroll up and make sure we have the office equipment account. But if we check here, we don't have the ledger. What you can do is just create a new one. But before creating this, just check where we will create this. Let's create it in 1650. So 1650 is the ledger name or code, and office equipment is the name. Just paste it right here and it comes under fixed asset. Let me just select that, click save, and that's how we create a new one. Let's choose this one, office equipment under 1650. Although it shows expense account, but basically it's about what will be debited, what should be debited. So you will mention it here, memo here and description here. Before entering, we need to check the journal entry effect. Click on journal. And as you can see, debit is office equipment and credit is cash on hand. Since we haven't mentioned any amounts, that's why it's not showing in debit and credit. Let me just mention the amount. Click 18,000 in the dollars right here. Now check the journal entry effect, and the journal entry effect is perfect. If you want to do this from the journal entry, however, let me just cancel this. Don't save. Now let's see how we can do this in journal entry. Just go to the banking section, because here you will find this journal entry option. Click on new journal entry. The date of transaction is 30th of January. Reference number, we can put any reference number here, and we are purchasing the fixed asset. So let's select that. Since we have already created that, it's right here. But otherwise you will follow the same process. If you don't have it, you can click on new and then we can create it. Copy and paste this narration right here. The debit amount is 18,000. Press tab, go on the second line, and here we choose cash. Again, on the credit side, we write 18,000. So if you feel that this is more convenient, you can save this. I usually prefer journal entry for all the non-trading transaction. So I'll use this, click on save, and that's how you purchase the fixed asset by using the journal entry in Sage. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.